Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Boyles Gas Law Lesson number 2. Here I've checked off our flow. 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury, which equals 760 torr, which equals 101.325 kilopascals, which equals 101,325 pascals, which equals 1.013 bar, which equals 14.7 psi. It's also important to remember that 1 millimeter of mercury equals 1 torr, and Boyle's law is P1V1 equals P2V2, and temperature is constant. So let's look at our first problem. A gas occupies 12.3 liters at 40 millimeters of mercury. So let's go ahead and write that down for our P1 value. Okay, and our pressure, of course, is 40.000 millimeters of mercury. This helps keep things straight, guys. And the pressure is going to increase to 60 millimeters of mercury, more or less. And what we want to know is our new volume. All right, so we go V2 equals P1 V1 over P2. So V2 equals, of course, our first pressure, which is 40.00 mmHg times 12.3 liters, okay, divided by our 60, of course, millimeters of mercury, and we'll get our new volume here. So let's go ahead and do that. So we go 40 times 12.3 divided by 60 gives me 8.2 liters. All right, let's look at our second problem. 400 milliliters of gas pressure under 800 torr. What would the volume of the gas be at 1,000 torr? So our second pressure is 1,000 torr. Our first pressure was 800 torr. Our first volume was 400 milliliters. And so what will our volume 2 be? So V2 equals P1 V1 over P2. So we isolate for our V2 variable, and we're going to put in our numbers. Atmospheres cancel out. Our V2 is going to equal, let's go ahead and get these numbers calculated. And there we go. Divided by 1,000. And it's going to be roughly 320 milliliters. And that's it. Well, listen, you guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.